Hello, guys. How are you today? I hope you are doing incredible out there. It is the Bit Blonde at Voice of Crypto one more time. Nice to have you with us today. So, today we're talking about the US to liquidate 6.5 billion in Bitcoin. Together, we're going to have a look around that entire topic, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Join Voice of Crypto, all channels if you want to be on top of everything that is happening in Web3. Before we get into any content, I will just do our quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice, and you must do your own market research as always. Let me share my screen with you. Let's go straight away to the BTC price as usual. Bitcoin is currently at 93,497 today, January 9. But even knowing that a lot of people are bearish, I believe on the 4 hourly time frame, let's have a look on the daily too, but I believe on the 4 hourly time frame, it's a very, very bullish sign. Okay. But let's just confirm both scenarios on a daily. If we move to the daily, it is quite bearish. Okay. Sooner or later, we have to close this gap between the 200 EMA and the actual top. I'm not sure if we are going to close now or in the future. So both things to look at is the daily is quite bearish, but the 4 hourly time frame could close bullish. So, however, you should only do what you can afford to lose. But long-term token, it's always a great opportunity to buy and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay. So let's just assume that this candle keeps holding around this level. That it is a massive support once more for the Bitcoin price. So if we close around 94,500, it is a very, very great solid bottom to enter. So personally, not taking any actions until we see that support formed really, really beautiful, and you always want to wait. Remember, being patient it is very, very important during these moments. But however, the 4 hourly time frame, the arrow sign is starting to cross a little bit into the bullish sign. But you want to wait to see what the 4 hourly time frame will do. So personally, not financial advice, but around 95,000 94500 would be an interesting new support level. But remember, on a daily, we have to look on a daily too. So Ethereum, it's very correlated to BTC as usual. So the 4 hourly time frame, Ethereum is currently trading at 3,304, and it's crossing bullish as well on the 4 hourly time frame. But if we go to the daily on ETH, we could potentially see another retest, okay, into the 200 EMA or a little bit down. So it's nice to analyze both scenario and see what could happen. Okay, so 4 hourly time frame, if we hold there, as mentioned, will be a very, very bullish signal. If we don't hold, however, we have to wait 1 2 days up to 3 days to see what is going to play out. So far, January has always been, more or less bullish to the crypto market. And moving into today's article, let me know, guys, if you can hear me. Let me know in the comment sections if you want me to have a look in anything that you want to potentially see, any altcoins and meme coins, let me know. But moving back to the news today, the US entities hold 65% more Bitcoin than offshore players. Bitcoin reserves held by the US entities have surged, surpassing offshore holdings by 65%. Bitcoin reserve held by entities based in the US now significantly exceed those held by offshore entities. According to data from CryptoQuant, the US entities Bitcoin BTC reserve share reached an all-time high as of January 9, with reserves 65% greater than those held by a non-US entities, CryptoQuant data reveals. The ratio of US to offshore Bitcoin holdings climbed from 1.24 in September 2024 to a peak of 1.66 in December, and now stands at 1.65. Chart showcasing the US entities now holding 65% more Bitcoin compared to offshore players sourced by CryptoQuant. The CryptoQuant CEO Ki Young Ju explained that the metric compares that Bitcoin holdings of known US entities, including companies like MicroStrategy, Spot Bitcoin Exchange, trade funds, ETFs, exchange miners, and the US government, to those of known offshore entities. And that was related to Bitcoin Guru seeing BTC price level hitting next it as 100K holds. Institutional demand fuels Bitcoin rally. The surge in the US held Bitcoin reserve coincides with Bitcoin's price increase in September 2024 when Bitcoin was trading at 60,000K. Offshore entities held the majority of reserves. By January 2025, Bitcoin had crossed the 100K mark, peaking at 108.135, and the US entities reserve dominance hit record levels. The dominance has been driven by heightened institutional interest. The MicroStrategy, the largest corporate Bitcoin holder, revealed a fresh purchase of 1,070 BTC from December 30 to December 31, 2024, at an average price of 90,000 004 per Bitcoin. The 100 million purchase brought MicroStrategy total holding to 447.470 BTC, worth approximately 27.97 billion, according to 2.1% of the all Bitcoin that will ever exist. Like its previous purchase, MicroStrategy used proceeds from a convertible note sale to fund the acquisition. The company aggressive Bitcoin strategy underscore the growing appetite for BTC among US institutions. Additionally, the US listed spot Bitcoin ETFs launched in January 2024 have recorded inflows of 106.82 billion to date, according to data from Social Value. ETFs provide institutional and retail investors with regulated and simplified access to Bitcoin exposure. Market corrections. Bitcoin unrealized profit margins have shrunk amid to the ongoing price corrections. After soaring the past 100K, Bitcoin has structured to 93K with its realized price. Analysts view this correction as healthy after the recent rally. Traders once chained unrealized profit margins have declined significantly amid to ongoing Bitcoin price correction. This is healthy after a rally that goes us above 100K, wrote Giulio, head of research at CryptoQuant. Over the past 24 hours, 521 million has been liquidated from the crypto market, with 345 million coming from long positions. According to CoinGlass, the liquidations were triggered by Bitcoin briefly dipping to 92,500 due to fear over the Federal Reserve tightening monetary policy for 2025. Bitcoin has retraced to the 95K support level following hotter than expected US job data. QCP analyst shared in Cointelegraph. Jobs job opening surged to 8.1 million, surpassing the 7.74 million forecast. The unexpected strength in the labor market fueled risk off sentiment, triggering a sell off in risk asset as long term bond yields spiked. So, even knowing that some people have some bearish feeling today, I'm quite optimistic as well, as we have a lot of things going on in the economy. Let's move into the crypto prices by market cap. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is currently at 3.27 trillion, a 1.23 decrease over the last day. As I mentioned, multiple people also consider a health drop after hitting 100K, and we need to build structure, we need to build support, and that's how it works. Fear and greedy index is very, very neutral today. So overall, people could be a little bit bearish, but the fear and greedy index, it's showing neutral sentiment. So something is about to happen. But as I mentioned, I believe we should always wait to see a better support and take the next positions. However, moving into today's gainers and losers, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything, any specific thing. Let me just change the layout and top crypto gainers and losers today. First place, we have Neo, currently trading at 15.03, has been up 5.90% on the past 24 hours. We have Flow, second place, not even at $1 yet, but is been up 4.53%. Third place, we got Kaya, I believe it's Kaya. Not very familiar with, but currently trading at 0.20 cents, has been up 4.16%. We got Market, BTT, Casper token, Axie Infinity, Litecoin, Bitcoin SV, Gate token, Sui, but nothing like 20%, 30% yet. But we're also going to have a look on crypto bubbles. Top losers today, apparently a meme coin has been down 19.74% on the past 24 hours. Called AI 16Z, I am not familiar with. Interesting. SNPX 6900, second place today, currently trading at 1.23. It's down 14.99%. And then we got Dog with a Hat, third place today, 13.40% down. We got AIOZ Network, Pudding Penguins, which is being very, very popular later. I believe that's the actual token from the NFT community, is being down 9.83%. Or let's move into crypto bubbles to see if we can potentially spot any other thing. But yeah, so far so good. We starting the year in crypto, on my perspective, in a very good opportunity. On a weekly chart, on a weekly time frame, we got Pin. I am not familiar with Pin, but it's up 589% on the weekly. SBG 432%. Those are massive, massive bumps. Again, not sure if that is a meme coin. You should definitely consider doing some deep research. We got Trump MAGA token up 74.3%, and I'm not surprised as Donald Trump takes off the United States. I'm not surprised with the. I'm personally not trading MAGA or any HOOD. But let me know, guys, what do you think about Trump being elected and supporting Bitcoin? It's a very great thing on an outlook anyways. And you also have AQT, It's up 186% on a weekly. But going to the daily, I like the weekly to buy and sell, but going to the daily, pretty much the same. So I believe altcoins are still waiting to pump or something, right? So it might be a great time to start accumulating. And guys, don't forget to visit Voice of Crypto website. All links down below here. Let us know what would you like to see in this channel. Don't forget to join the Telegram because 2025 is the year for crypto, and we are going to see extremely crazy things inside this market in a very good way. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.